All right, so we got another one here. It's a Samsung front dispenser. We like Samsungs. First of all, if it's your first time watching any of my videos, click on the subscribe button, and you support by purchasing the products that I provide and the links. That's how you support the videos to keep more videos going. And also, you can support by cash out. Send me $1, $2, $5, whatever. If anything, it don't matter. But we here with a Samsung. We got to replace this front dispenser. The part number is in the description. And how we this is what we're basically changing today. We're gonna take this one out, right? And we're gonna take that one out and put this one in. You might be changing this because you might not be getting the water out. The panel might be broken or whatnot. Buttons might not be working or something like that. So we're gonna put this one in. How to take that one out? If you look underneath here, you're gonna see a little Phillips head screw. Remove that screw, and basically that's all you're gonna need: a screwdriver to remove that screw, and a little bit of muscle, because you basically grab it and snatch it out. There's a wire obviously in the back. We're gonna see here in a second that we loose, and then before we do anything, we don't make sure we don't electrocute ourselves. We just gonna unplug the refrigerator. All right, give me 1 second. We're gonna do that and we're gonna get started. All right, let's take this screw out. We got it unplugged. Power off. Take this screw out right here. Take that screw right there. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. How strong I am. Sometimes I get my flat tip. Let me see your flat tip screwdriver. Sometimes I get my flat tip and I come back here. Give me a little bit of leverage. Let's see. You see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of bringing it forward with my flat tip. And I'm gonna come in here. Hold this camera real quick right here. Yeah. I'm gonna come right here. All right, we got the old one out. Here's the new one. Get ready to put the new one in. Basically, you just put your connectors back on and connect it back in right there. And then just slide it back in. Hold this for me. Same way we took it out. Just push it in. That's it. That's her. She's in all the way. They got the little plastic that you can take off, peel off, but we're gonna plug her back up and test it, and we should be good to go. All right, we back in. Got the new one back in. We can adjust. We can adjust stuff now. It's back working again. There we got water. All right, we good to go.